Hello YouTubers, good evening. This video is a shrimp appetizer with avocado mayonnaise. This is one of those after gym quick meals when you come home from the gym and you're just so starving and you have to get something in your stomach right away. So what I did right here is just took some shrimp that I had in the freezer actually and ran cold water over them and put them in a steamer basket. And if you don't have a pan that has a steamer on the top of it, what you can do is just put some foil over a pan with water and poke holes in it and double layer that foil. You only want to cook your shrimp just until they're pink and a little bit crispy. Here I have some Japanese mayonnaise, avocado, tomato, jalapeno, and red onion, and that's what I'm going to make my shrimp salad with. So here I'm just going to fine chop everything kind of small because this is going to be a cold salad. I'm chopping my jalapeno and I'm using the veins as well as the skin because I do like spicy. If you don't like spicy, just use the skin and only use a portion of the jalapeno. I'm making tomato slices to go on top of my bread. This is going to be kind of like a bruschetta. I have a loaf of challah bread, and this was frozen as well. This was in my freezer, so I just took it out and sliced it. Now right here what I'm doing is peeling the shell off the shrimp, and then after I have all these peeled, I'm going to go in and clean the vein out, clean the digestive tract. So I'm just putting up the shrimp with scissors and cleaning out the digestive tract with a small paring knife. I'm scooping out half of an avocado, a very ripe avocado. And I've added the vegetables that you've just seen me chop. I'm going to add some dry tarragon to this. You can add any herb you like, or you can omit the herbs. And I'm adding some Japanese mayonnaise. You can add regular mayonnaise or homemade mayonnaise, whatever mayonnaise you like, garlic mayonnaise, whatever. They have a lot of different nice mayonnaises on the market now. And salt, pepper, and Olde Bay. And again, you can add whatever spices you like. If you want to add some cayenne to it, you can add cayenne. You can add any kind of seafood seasoning. You can just add salt and pepper. This is a loose interpretation of a quick meal, so you put whatever ingredients you like in it. I'm adding a mayo mixture to the shrimp, and that's about it. I have my bread, the challah, toasting, and I toasted those in my oven under the broiler. Challah has a lot of butter in it, so if you want toasting, you have to keep an eye on it because it burns good. I'm topping my challah with baby arugula and tomatoes and the shrimp. So what you see me doing is placing the shrimp on top of the tomato, and then I go back in and I take some of the leftover sauce and put it on the top. And this was just delicious. I have to tell you, this is a divine quick meal, quick appetizer. And there you have it. I hope that you try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much.